Hey, if you want to fix synchronization issue with your Watch 9 and the Samsung Health application, first of all, just check if you have stable connection between both devices. So the easiest way is to open the settings, go for Bluetooth connections, and check if you are currently connected. As you can see for me, I'm of course connected. And now what you have to also do, we have to navigate for the Samsung Health, not for the Samsung Health, but for Google Play Store and search here for the Samsung Health. And you have to check if you are using the latest version of this application. If not, it means that you will have to click on the update button. But after that, you are able to simply open this one. And now when you scroll like this, it will start synchronization. You can see this by looking on this small icon. But sometimes you can also click on, take a look, last synchronized at 1 p.m. Now when you click on this icon, you will be also redirected into the Galaxy Wearable application that will also allows you to synchronize. Often when you click on this icon, it will start synchronization automatically. But for some reason, if it is still not working, you can try to open the settings on your phone, because in the most cases that will be actually with your phone, not with the watch, because if you are connected right now, it means that something is wrong on the other side. So you will have to go open applications screen and here search for Samsung Health. There we go. We have to open it, and what you have to do, you will have to scroll down for the battery usage, and I can recommend you for a synchronization to switch from optimize into the unrestricted, which means that this application will be able to run in the background all the time and keep synchronization also all the time. And also you have to check for a mobile data. I can highly recommend you to enable background data usage and turn off the data saver. And that's basically everything. Or additionally, you can go for the permissions and simply check if you get access for physical activity and also the nearby devices and the health, fitness and the wellness. And right now you can also grab your watch, and here what you have to check, just simply go for the settings. There we go. And now go for the battery settings and just take a look if you are not using the power saving mode, or for example this one to limit health features.